Welcome to this tutorial from Present Trade on how to automatically create curb returns for your plan using civil site design software. Start with your drawing and ensure you are in the Road tab, then click on Network Strings. Now, if you want to create a single curb return, you should choose the first option, Curb Return. Select the location where you wish to create the curb return and a window will appear, allowing you to edit all the settings of the curb return. In this video, we will create a curb return with a 15 radius. The same process applies for the opposite direction. As you can see, we created curb returns on both sides with just a few clicks. But what if you want to create all the curb returns in your drawing? We've got you covered. Click on Network Strings, then Auto Curb Return. Civil Site Design will automatically detect all the intersections in your drawing and create curb returns at each one with a single click. In this video, we will set all of them to a radius of 9. Wait a few seconds and there you have it. All of the curb returns have been made automatically. The design profile aligns with the incoming and outgoing levels and grades and includes parabolic vertical curves through the curb returned to form a smooth profile. Thanks for watching. Visit our site and follow us on social media for tutorials that boost your skills and to stay informed about the latest software. Connect with Present Trade for more.